Benchmark set. Keep the line straight.
Hold speed, need clean soundings.
Core coming up, steady, steady!
Side.
One more pass, need firm base.
Density meets spec, record station 3.
Mark entry at chainage 0.
Diagonals match, lock the corners. Watch the lip, keep it back.
Depth is good, trim the base flat.
Clear below, lower, slow.
Tag it. Shoring is certified.
Prime complete, start drawdown now. Base is dry, prep for piles.
Keep 75 mil.
Pour steady, don't over vibrate.
Embed plates aligned, hold them.
Keep it covered, no footprints.
Strength trend okay, prep wall forms. Grounding bar at north wall confirmed.
Lift in 300 millimeters, don't rush. Sleeve centered, keep clearance.
Pin locked, release the hook. Green tag only, clip in before climb. Keep joints tight, maintain line.
Sleeves stay centered, no drift.
Hold radius, no kinks allowed.
Rebar cover blocks, place them now. Tag lines tight, pin on my mark.
Rated okay, spin test smooth.
Brake test passed. Stand clear.
ROV in water, commencing route verify.
Take up slow.
Serial confirmed. Continue pull in. Touchdown confirmed. Maintain speed.
Set panels on dunnage, no scratches.
Plumb looks good, tighten the spec.
Gasket seated, no gaps at corners.
Seal holds, label the glands now. Keep clearance for bend restrictor.
Harness clipped, move to next purlin.
Overlap leeward, drive screw straight. Lap seam 100 millimeters, press it firm.
Bond strap tight. Verify continuity.
Airflow outward, keep splice area clear.
Testing live after sign-off.
Keep drain clear of duct bank.
Eyewash tested. Tag it in log.
Gauge in green. Secure the strap.
Seal edges, no foam gaps.
Studs at 400. Leave conduit chase.
Hold top edge. Drive screws now.
Being so back.
Feather edges, no ridges.
Clean zone only. Brush boots.
Primer even. Hit corners again.
Keep coat thin. Avoid runs.
Roll it firm, no bubbles.
Bench level, lock the feet.
Lights on, check glare at bench.
Off clear, lower to tow depth. Has eyes on target.
Mattress down. Verify clearance both sides.
Joint kit verified. Keep tools clean.
Strip length confirmed, don't nick tubes. Splice one good, move to next fiber.
Trace clean. Close housing per torque list.
Band tight. Seal edge fully.
Lower to seabed, ROV guiding, final meters. Joint accepted, resume lay to corridor. Switch to mattress protection. Place back clear of cable, 2 meters offset. Prep pull-in kit. Shore team standby. Earth reading good, ready for shore end.
Clamp torqued. Shore end accepted.
Burial meets spec, only minor shallow spot. Bag placed, ROV confirm cover now.
Protection accepted, close out offshore works.
Tape at 300 millimeters, then compact in lifts.
Compaction passed, proceed to topsoil. Keep mulch even, protect the slope.
Cover flush. Lock it and tag ID.
Begin OTDR. Record baseline now.
Light levels within, clean and cap ports.
Confined space kit present, tag expires, okay.
Close this item, photo and sign.
Fibers capped. No dust near trays. Site clear. Remove last cones after check.
Link up, LEDs steady green.
Punch list 0. Ready for final walk.
Route complete. Shoreline fully restored.
All gear secured, returning to port.
Certificates posted, handover complete.
Clear.
Lock number verified. Manhole sealed.
Link stable. Tests attached in binder. Markers.
Lower steady, keep zone clear. Pins out, lift clear, swing slow.
Closeout pack complete. Files transferred.
Area reopened. Remove final barricades.
Subscribe, like, and share.